here's the problem. This is the bed, as you can see, and these are the locks that I had made that actually move from the underside. Problem is the mattress has to go on top of here, and this is in the way. So I have to come up with something that comes up and over that's not too intrusive and that can actually work. So it got me an idea. Let me show you what it is. So what I've done is taken two scrap boards, cut one in half, made this gap, measured the width of the PVC and made sure it would fit down inside of here. And you know, that's from an old croquet, whatever. And then what the plan is to put it in there with the PVC that's hot in there and push down and see if I can squeeze it. So the first step is to get it hot. Remember, PVC can be pretty darn hot when you're working with it. So just remember that. Protect your fingers and your toes and everything. Just a heat gun. Put that in the middle and flatten it out. And get it flattened out. And push it down. And just hold it till it cools. Which it shouldn't take long because it's not on metal. I'm just guessing here. It feels like it's hard. There we go. Now that I can go over that cap, I can put screw holes and then fasten that down. Let's go take a look and see if it works. Okay, we're back in the camper. You know what? That's gonna be perfect. Then it'll be soft with the cushion. I'll probably heat this up and bend it down. Then I'll clean up these edges and put two holes on each side, and that will protect the mattress from catching on the on that latch. May go and finish them up. I'll just heat it up the edge like this. There we go. Now all I got to do is clean up these edges from being sharp, sand this down a little bit just to make it look good, and we have a cover. I think that'll work. All right, I cleaned it up with acetone, sanded it down a little bit, and I think that was perfect. I couldn't buy those at the hardware store. Let's go put them in and see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. Here's the cover. It's right over the top of it, just like that. That's gonna cover it perfectly. Now the mattress can lay across here. It won't get caught anywhere. It won't get in the way of that. You can open and close it So let me put the screws in and we'll see, it won't be finished. There we go. I think we're good. Taking what I have, making it work.